Good morning, first grade friends. Grab your math binder, not your math binder, your math journal and a pencil, and we're going to get started. But before we get into here, I want to talk a little bit about what's going to be on the pages we're going to do. We're going to be talking about a scale, and not a scale that you stand on to find out how much you weigh, but a balancing scale. So right now, I have 2 spots on the number 5, so it makes it balance, it's equal. But if I were to take this and move it to a higher number, the higher number, what do you think is going to happen to our scale? Is it going to be equal? Is it going to be higher or lower? Or what's your thoughts? So I'm going to put it on 8 because 8 is a larger number than 5, and let's see what happens. So because 8 is bigger, it shows on the scale that it's bigger because it comes down to towards the table. Can't think of the word I want to use, but it balances to show this is larger. Now, if I were to take it, put it on a smaller number, one that's least smaller than 5, let's do 3, what do you think will happen? 5 is larger, is a bigger number, so that means it weighs over here. So remember this, whatever's heavier, it will lean down. Whatever it's equal, it'll be the same. And there, I'll put it on 7, and that's a larger number than 5. So remember this, things that are heavier will be down and closer because it takes more weight on this side. All right, so let's turn to page 171. So we're gonna compare weights. And by doing that, we need to find out what each of these fruits weigh. So write the weight in the chart below. So you're gonna count each box. So we're gonna start with the apple, and you're gonna count each box here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So an apple is 10 cubes, because those are the cubes that you're counting. So you're gonna do the same thing with all of the fruits. You're gonna count how many cubes they weigh, and you're gonna write them here. Once you've figured out that information, that data, you're gonna go to number 2, and it says which fruit could be in the bag. That's what this is, a bag. And you're gonna draw what it is. So the apple is up high, and the bag, whatever is in it, is down low. So what does that mean? Which one is heavier, the apple or what's in the bag? If you said what's in the bag, you're correct. So of these, after you found out the cubes, which one is heavier than the apple? And that's what you're gonna draw on here. It might be the banana, the orange, or the pear. Which one is it? And then you'll do the same with the others. In this one, the bag is higher. So that means which one is heavier, what's in the bag or with the banana? The banana is down low, the apple is up high. So if you remember our balance beam, so the banana is heavier, so you're gonna draw a picture of one of these fruits that is lighter. If you have any questions, let me know. Then we're gonna turn the page, and it's the same thing. You're now measuring, instead of fruits, you're measuring toys. And you're going to count the blocks, the cubes, to see how much they equal. As you see that they're even on this balancing scale, so that shows you how much they each weigh. You'll fill in your data, your information, and then you'll color the heavier toy. Was it the doll or is it the giraffe? And you'll do that by knowing the number of cubes that you measured for weighing. All right, that is it for first grade math. If you want to measure some things at the house by even just using your hands, saying, oh, is the pom-pom jar heavier or is the pug heavier? And you can do it like in guess. And moms and dads can do it too, and you can say, oh, I think, that's a tough one. They're kind of almost equal, but I think the pug is a little bit heavier. And you can do it like that. Find different items in the house. Let's do the pom-poms and, oh, my Post-it notes. Definitely, these are heavier because they're of the plastic and the weight that it is. So find things at home and measure them, and you can show it like this, have your own little balancing scale. All right, we'll see you later and have a good one. Bye.